Hi everyone, Erin from the Wine Sisters here, and I am back with probably what is one of my very favorite ways to entertain, and that is entertaining at cocktail hour. So many of you over the years have emailed or DM'd us and talked about how stressful you find hosting dinner parties. We'll get to that topic another day, but you've said to me, you find it stressful to balance all the courses and mix and match all the people and all the setup and all the cleanup. And so you know what I say to that? Don't do it. If it's stressing you out, don't do it. I am here for a good time, not a stressful time. And in my humble opinion, the easiest way to skirt that issue and still be the host with the most is to invite people over for a thoughtful cocktail hour. Now, before you get all stressed out about that again and worry about, oh my God, but how am I gonna make the cheese puffs and what kind of cocktail am I going to make? Well, my first answer to that would be go back and check out some of these videos or even check out our blog on thewinesisters.com. But I'm gonna show you today how to do it super simple. Like, it can't get more basic than this. And I mean basic in the best sense of the word. So everything I've got here, I've literally picked up from the store. I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm just gonna put it on a board and serve it as is. So I like the way the Europeans do it, right? Very easy, very breezy. It doesn't matter whether you're in Italy or Germany or Spain or France. They just seem to have this beautiful way of just assembling a few different things. No fuss, no muss, but it's very elegant, very simple, very clean. So for me, I just stopped by the store on the way home and I picked up some nuts, some cheese, a few savory things, olives, and that's just what it's going to be. I'm going to serve it alongside a sparkling wine or a rosé, and that's what's going to happen. Okay, so I've got some pistachios. In another video, I'm going to show you how to make some beautiful spiced hot and spicy nuts. But in this particular case, pistachios are lovely. I'm just gonna serve them as is. I also have these really great, these are savory shortbreads, and I love these. I'm based in Toronto, and these come from Niagara, which is just about an hour away from here, and they're sold in a lot of specialty shops, but they're absolutely gorgeous. So these are shortbreads done with thyme and cheddar, and they're dynamite. Hopefully these don't go popping all over the place. So these are savory shortbreads and they're fantastic. Now, I've done segments before where we've talked a little bit about how if you are a baker, you can make some shortbread dough and then also just keep it in the freezer and bake it off when people get here. But even if you're not a baker, having a couple of these in the cupboard or picking them up from a specialty shop on the way home is, for me, a lifesaver. I think they're delicious. People love them. I don't like the way that looks. I'm gonna just put it like this. So with a little bit of care, just set those out. I got some good olives. These are olives in a jar. If you have an olive bar in your grocery store or wherever you like to shop, go crazy. These ones are Castelvetrano. They're among my favorites. Now, if you go to thewinesisters.com on our blog, we do have a really great recipe for marinated olives, which take no time at all and store decently well for up to a week. But once again, I'm assuming that you don't have the time, the energy, the interest in farting around marinating your olives. So I think these are really nice and meaty. I think that they're very crowd friendly and you can easily put them together. So you just put those in a nice little bowl. Everything's great, just like that. And this cheese, right now I'm crushing heavily. Now, if you want to put together a cheese board, and if you just scroll back a little bit to a couple of videos ago, you'll see that I brought in a friend of mine, Chef Kyle McClure, show you how to put together a fantastic cheese board, and I had some wines to pair with it. But you don't have to go to that expense even. Just a nice quality piece, one piece of cheese. I think this cost me about 10 bucks, and I really love this one. This one is Chèvre a Payotte. I don't speak French very well, so I'm hoping I said that correctly, but it's really recognizable by this sort of more solid center and the runnier outside, and then this really beautiful bloomy rind, which is delicious on its own. So I'm just gonna put that out. Easy peasy. Like, how long did it take me to put that together? 3 minutes. I'm gonna serve this with a nice glass of wine, and that's my cocktail hour done. I'm telling you guys, we're all about easy, elegant, entertaining over here. So the sooner you can get me eating and drinking, the better it is. I hope that you guys have a great cocktail hour, and we'll see you next week.